Have you ever wanted to make vegan, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free ice cream? Yes, it is possible, my goddess friend. Today, let's make blueberry and strawberry ice cream together. It's very easy, simple, super healthy, and delicious. Hello, my beautiful friend. Welcome back to Otokuchi Life. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mana, and on this channel, we explore all the aspects of beauty and elegance, focusing on how we think, how we eat, and how we style. If you would love to become the most beautiful goddess version of yourself, please click the subscribe button and join our wonderful, beautiful community. Today, let's create the most delicious, beautiful, and elegant ice cream together. Did you know that you only need 2 ingredients and 1 tool to make the most healthiest, delicious ice cream? This ice cream is perfect for this summer and for enjoying the sweet treat without anything your body doesn't like, i.e. sugar, oil, egg, and dairy. Even vegan ice cream can be high in sugar and oils, but this recipe keeps it clean and nourishing, and your whole body will thank you. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the dough. For this recipe, you will need a blender. If you have a food processor, that works perfectly too. I've tried both. The food processor takes a little bit longer and the texture is slightly different, but it's very delicious and turns out a beautiful marble-like color. Choose whichever you love. For the ingredients, please prepare 2 frozen bananas. Here's an elegant tip. First, before freezing bananas, cut them into smaller pieces. This makes blending much easier and faster. Second, if you are using a food processor, take the bananas out of the freezer a few minutes before blending. Some food processors are not designed to crush hard ice texture, so letting the bananas soften a little will make blending easier. Also, prepare 1 to 2 cups of your favorite frozen fruit. In this recipe, I've got 1 cup of frozen blueberries and 1 cup of frozen strawberries. To make the ice cream, simply put all the ingredients into the blender. A high-speed blender such as a Vitamix can be very powerful and useful. Personally, I haven't got one yet and I'm using a brown blender. It takes a little bit time, but if you keep sending love and gratitude while you are carefully blending, it works perfectly. Once you have the consistency of ice cream like this, scoop it out with an ice cream scoop or just taste it. It's heavenly delicious. Isn't it amazing how magical fruits can be? I always feel so abundant when I see and taste the fruit. It is full of nutrients and a magical gift from the universe. This ice cream also makes a great base for smoothie bowls. You can always add and decorate with extra nuts and edible flowers. You can also try other ice cream flavors such as cacao powder for chocolate ice cream and matcha powder for matcha ice cream instead of frozen fruit. You can even mix it with spirulina powder for the healthiest ice cream or smoothie bowl base. Have a fun creating your favorite style of ice cream. Let your imagination and creativity sparkle. If you make it, please share it with us. I would love to see your beautiful and elegant ice cream. If you love today's recipe, please give it a like. And visit more recipes at otokuchiwalife.com/recipe. All the recipes are customizable and your body will thank you. And if you haven't already, please check out this raw vegan zucchini pasta recipe from here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautiful and have a fabulous day, my goddess friend.